Welcome, and filming the Galaxy S10 Plus Clone, and I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So we'll start off by either downloading a wallpaper, and if you want to download, you can go into browser and find one, or copy it from a computer or send it. And once you have that ready, you can hold your finger on the screen and choose wallpapers from here. And then you can either choose the ones that are preloaded or from the gallery, which will be the ones that you either downloaded or took photo. So that's my downloaded wallpaper. That's amazing. And from here you can just position it as you like it, maybe a little bit to the side, but yeah, we're gonna keep it as it is, and tap set as wallpaper, and there it is. Now you have glorious wallpaper, and yeah. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.